Go.
What are we up to? We're gonna go in the tractor. Oh yeah, and we're gonna just put some hay in for the sheep. Good morning. We haven't had any lambs yet, but it's nearly there. So we're just gonna get in the tractor. Aren't we, Bonbon? Those are rams. We're gonna get in the tractor and we're gonna put some hay in the feeder. We've set it all up, so we'll do some vlogging from the cab. Say hi. And here we are with the tractor. Steering wheel. That operates the forks. Up, down, up, open, close. That's what that does. And then you've got all your gears on the back end. Yeah. You've got to be careful because we've got the log splitter on the back. So that's what we use to split all the logs for our fireplace to keep the house warm, eh? Yeah. Right. I'll leave it. It's cold, isn't it? So I'll leave that shut. We'll get the hay bales. We'll drop it in the top. We'll unwrap it, and we'll let the sheep in. And they'll have some more hay. I think that's it for the tractor work today. Not a lot to do. And I think I'm going to get that bale there. And there's the rams. All their food. Okay, let's go. Okay. Make sure that's low, so we're going to hit the top of the roof. I think. So how would you do this? Probably spike it like that. Bring it down. Put it in reverse billy. And we'll go up there. We're in rabbit mode. I might put it into Taurus. So it should be a bit slower now. It says parking brake flashing on there. It's definitely not on. Okay, let's go. It's tight, look at that. Ooh, tight. Don't know if that trough's going to be in the way. Yeah, that trough might be in the way. Maybe not, actually. Oh, we're good. We're good. Take the plastic off. And then we're gonna lift this up. Get it over the top of the circle bit. Might want to go a bit higher. And then I want to straighten up. Straighten up and plonk it in. Ooh. Ooh, Daddy's done this wrong. There you go, that'll do.
Okay.
Sort of in there anyway. Okay, ready?
Like I can do.
I'll hold your hand.
One. I can. It's
Ready? Boom! Good job, high five. Yeah, it's the log splitter. So you put them on there, and then that comes and destroys it. These are the rams. They've done a good job. Hey, boy. Should we give them some food? Should we give them some food? There we go. Maybe a little bit more. Maybe just a little bit more. Don't tell Holly. Don't tell Holly, okay? There you go, there you go. Have a nice treat. Okay. Not how I imagined it going, but I've seen better jobs done. I've seen people do it better. Yeah. Hopefully they'll eat down before Holly sees it. She'll be like, what the? Who did that? Okay. Let's pull that. I just didn't know if there was any in there, so let's go. Oh, sorry. Come on. Forgot to do that. Forgot to do this gate. Oh, that was a close one. There we go. I don't know if I swore then. God. Scary. Okay, let's go and open this one properly now. Oh, they love it. Whoa, yes. Oh, you okay?
Okay.
Where are you going?
Oh, wait a minute.
Hmm? Who?
Mom.
Yeah.
Oh. Hi. Hi.
Hand.
Hi.
What are you making?
I'll make salad.
A salad. Oh.
I'll make. Can you get me some more drinks?
What are you making? Should we get more? More ingredients? Are you in your house, Lila? Hello. Are you going to wipe your nose?
No.
No.
Oh, no. Bye. Bye. Bye.
Hello.
Hello. Oh, no.
Oh, hello.
Oh, no.
So me and Bonnie have just come out to check the sheep, and we think we might have one that might be lambing very soon. So we'll show you the hut. So we've just got the ewe lambs in. They're getting drenched with wormer because I've had 2 actually pass away with unknown causes. So a sample, so poo sample, has gone off to the vets, and we're just going to drench them just to double check that they haven't got worms. It could be that they've built up a tolerance to the wormer that we use, so we've got to use a different one. So we're going to do that now. So this ewe here, I've been keeping an eye for a while. She's got a very big udder, and if you can see there, there's my finger, she's got a slight little bit of discharge coming from her vagina. So potentially that could mean, like for humans, like their mucus plug has gone. So I think we will be seeing some lambs from this one today. So we're just going to have to keep an eye on her.
We have a sack.
Oh, steady.
Here you go. Go forward.
Good girl. Put some straw up the nozzle. Bring it on, not better. Oh, don't stand on it. Another one?
Yeah. I don't know if this is back feet though, it's backwards.
Is it?
Yeah, this is a backwards lamb. And it's kicking. I think it's backwards anyway.
Oh, you better double check.
Yeah.
Yeah, backwards. That's
Backwards.
probably why this one was distressed.
Ready?
Turn around. Breathe in.
No.
Right. Rub his chest.
Find a little bit of straw that will do it. There we go. She's breathing.
Well, yeah, I think a bit more, please. Wait, I'm stuck in about to... There. Good job. So this brown colour that they've got, that's just where they pooed inside, which is normally a sign of that they're distressed. So probably why that happened is, one, this was a bigger lamb, came first, but this one was coming backwards, so it probably caused stress for both of them because she couldn't push. So yeah, but luckily we've got 2
beautiful lambs.
lovely lambs.
Was it a boy and a little one's a boy? What's the other one, huh?
The first one,
Yeah.
boys.
2 little boys. So we just had twins. Oh, now it's time to get all the rest in, feed them, and check their bums and see if we've got some more on the way. So we'll get carnage again, and we start over. Look at them. They'll be up and going in a bit. Oh, he's trying. Oh, look. Oh, gosh. We did have a lamb this morning. Just there.
Yeah, I did.
Just one little there, underneath the mother hiding.
Morning, guys. It is about, what's the time? Nearly 5 o'clock. Up at 4:30. Billy did 2 o'clock watch. Just had some triplets. Put her under a light because one of them obviously had them in late stages. So we've got one that stood, which I'll show you, and then we've got one that's nearly standing, and then the other one is completely out of it. So I milked off of you the other day because she lost 2 of her lambs. She's got 1 lamb now, so I took some colostrum off of her. So I'm going to give them to these triplets just to boost them because the mum's not going to stand for me. So I'm just boiling a kettle. I'll show you what's going on. This one's doing well. Here are the triplets. You see I've put them under the light so you've got a bit of warmth, but I'm going to give them some food now. The other one I've got a little hot water bottle for. And then over here, still got Paulie Lamb, she's still with us. We've got the twins. One's sleeping. Oh dear.